Hello friends, in this video we are going to see a numerical to calculate velocity of a sound in elastic medium. So let's move on to the video. Let's see the numerical. Generally in these cases, in this topic, numerical are such that they are not practically understood. So first of all we will understand the picture and accordingly we are going to solve a numerical. So let's see the numerical. A supersonic aircraft flies at altitude of 3 kilometer. This is aircraft. These are the wings. This is the velocity and its altitude is nothing but the height from the this MSL, and this height is given to us as 3 kilometer. Whenever in problem the altitude is given to us, it is not actually significancing in the formulae, but it is stating that we are talking about pressures at very high altitudes. It means that we are considering compressible flows. So this is the indication that we have to use the formulae which are studied in compressible flow. So this 3 kilometer doesn't have any significance. Where temperature is 4 degrees centigrade, yes, this temperature have significance, but it is in degree centigrade. We have to convert it in Kelvin. Determine the speed of aircraft if its sound is heard 5 seconds after its passage over head of observer. So let us consider observer. This is observer. During its traveling, when it is at head, what actually happens? This is the source. I will name it as S. This is the source. It is generating a sound. So sound is traveling, making a cone like this. Okay, so we will consider this cone. But what actually happens when location of airplane is exactly above the head of observer, then in that case, as this region is not passing through the observer's location, observer will not heard any sound or any ringing sound. But when it will travel further like this, then in that case this sound will get heard by the observer. So it will take some time to travel from this position to this position, and that time is given to us, that is equal to 5 seconds. Take R equal to 287 joule per kg per Kelvin and K value is equal to 1.4. So we will start with actual problem. To start, first is given data, altitude given to us as Z equal to 3 kilometer, not necessary to calculations. Temperature equal to 4 degree centigrade, 4 plus 273, 277 degree Kelvin. R value 287 joules per kg per degree Kelvin and K value is 1.4. So we have to use the sonic velocity of sound, which can be calculated by using formula under root of K into R into T, just multiplication of 3 terms, under root of 1.4 into 287 into 277. The answer will be C is equal to 333.61 meter per second. If we observe the answer, it is clear that This value is slightly less than 340. It means that whatever is the environment, that is the rarer one as compared to the standard one. So at high altitude, density is less. So this is indicating that velocity of travel is also less. That's all. Thank you.